In doing crochet, the base stitch is always a chain, especially when you're doing linear. When you're doing rings, you still do a chain or a magic ring. In this case, our next stitch will be single crochet. And to start a single crochet, let's make maybe at least 10 chains, okay? Two, three, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And to do a single crochet, you add do a chain 1 and then skip that one because you did a chain 1. You do your single crochet in the second chain. So insert your hook, grab your thread. You have 2 loops in your hook. Yarn over and pull through both loops. So now you have 1 single crochet. Okay. Go to the next. Insert your hook. Grab the thread. 2 loops in your hook. Yarn over and pull through 2. So that is how to make a single crochet. And by just using single crochet, actually you can do small projects. So we do this again. Insert your hook, yarn over and grab your thread, yarn over and pull through both loops. So this is how I'll finish off, and I'll show it to you after. So we go until here. So this is your 10 single crochets. You did 10 chains plus 1, so you still do 10 single crochets. Now to make another row of single crochet, chain 1 and then turn, and then in this space on top of each single crochet, then you will do single crochets again until you do it like bigger. So in this case, you already had the chain 1, so you consider that as 1 single crochet. So in the next, so you will still have 10 single crochets. So just remember that when you're doing single crochet, you just insert the hook, grab the thread, and you always have like 2 loops in your hook. Grab both loops together, and that's a single crochet. So maybe what I will do is like do a simple project by just using a single crochet. Until the last stitch here. So but the problem is I'm using like thread with several just like a embroidery skein. So sometimes, okay, this. So these are like 2 rows of single crochets.